To find and access hidden apps on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, here's what you can do. So of course, we can hide apps by using home screen settings in the settings of our phone. If we go here, then we should be able to find hide apps on home and apps screens. And here, of course, we can check which apps are hidden. But if you want to keep them hidden and still be able to access them, we have a couple of methods. You can, for example, go back to settings, and then here in settings, we need to find the apps option. And then here in apps, you can still find the app quite easily. So here is mine. I can select this app. Here in the app info at the bottom, we have the open option. So I can just easily open the app without any issues whatsoever. There we go. Besides that, if you go to the Play Store, you can use the search option and you can just simply search for that app that you have installed. And even though it is hidden, I can still open it by using the Play Store over here. And besides that, if the app is running in the background, then you can open the list of background apps. And as you can see, I can easily return to the app just like that. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.